Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to talk about this lovely 2017 Infiniti Q50 Premium all-wheel drive that we have for sale. We acquired this off-lease directly from Infiniti Financial Services, one owner, clean Carfax. We do have a complimentary Carfax report for you to view. This one's in really nice condition. Only 20,831 miles. We just got this off a 39-month lease. The lowest mileage you can do on a lease with Infiniti is 10,000 miles a year. So if the lease customer who had this Q50 utilized all those miles, it would have had 32,000 miles on it. But with only 20,831, they average less than 10,000 miles a year. Very low mileage for 2017. And luckily for you, if you happen to be in the market for a Q50, this is a great one to consider. Also, because it's Infiniti certified pre-owned, you can only get a certified pre-owned Infiniti from a new Infiniti retailer like us, and you get a lot of benefits with certification. Basically, you get all the benefits you would if you bought a brand new Infiniti. This one includes your first year of basic maintenance is complimentary. It comes with a 6-year unlimited mileage warranty that covers about 1,400 components, and that's 6 years from the in-service date. If you are thinking about financing, there's special certified pre-owned interest rates up to 72 months for well-qualified buyers, exclusive to certified pre-owned vehicles. You get roadside assistance with trip interruption benefits with the duration of that certified warranty. And you also get a complimentary Infiniti service loaner vehicle for extended stays at our Infiniti service department, and that's good at any Infiniti retailer in the United States. We have the original window sticker on this one. It's also good to pay close attention because all Q50s are not created equal. This one has the Premium Plus package. That's a nice perk. That is a $1,650 option, and one of the biggest perks for that package is navigation. A lot of people like to have navigation in their luxury cars. Then we also have Navi synchronized adaptive shift control. So the way adaptive shift control works, it momentarily holds the current gear and the transmission for better acceleration at a turn, corner, or when accelerating up a hill. But with the Navi synchronization, obviously, based on the GPS, the car can see upcoming road conditions, and the transmission can prepare itself for those upcoming road conditions. We also have heated front seats, heated steering wheel, remote engine start, a power tilt telescoping steering column. Then you have dual occupant memory seats for the driver's seat, mirrors, and steering column settings. Auto dimming exterior mirrors, and a 60/40 split fold rear seat. And of course, we can print you up a copy or email you one if you want to analyze that a little further. Backup camera. The Q50 is one of the first vehicles of its kind to have a dual display system. The top screen is for navigation, backup camera. The bottom screen is a tablet-like interface for vehicle settings and apps. We have a drive mode selector here. It makes changes to transmission shift points, steering, throttle sensitivity, traction, and stability control settings. You can also access the drive mode selector through this menu here, and you can actually go down a little bit further. You can personalize it a little bit more with this this menu right here. For instance, you can have the engine and transmission in sport mode, but you can have the steering in standard mode. So it lets you personalize a little bit better. Here we have active trace control that will brake individual wheels to help the vehicle rotate through corners a little bit better. You can shut that on or off. If you like music, you'll like the Bose Performance Series audio system this Q50 has. It sounds amazing. Really nice color combination in Hagane blue on stone. Stone's kind of a little bit of a rarer interior color. Most of the ones you'll find out will have the dark graphite interior. The Q50 is built on a sports car platform, also shared with the 350Z, 370Z. Basically, all the sportiest Infinitis we've seen over the last 15 years were built on the advanced front engine platform. The reason why they call it that is they take the engine, they place it as far behind the front axle as possible, so it's almost like a mid-engine vehicle, so the center of gravity is towards the middle of the vehicle, and that helps it rotate on its axis, improves the handling and feel through the corners. The Q50 comes standard with rear-wheel drive. Intelligent all-wheel drive is optional. This one has the intelligent all-wheel drive. Most people prefer that in our neck of the woods. The reason why it's intelligent is because when all-wheel drive is not needed, like in conditions like this when it's dry, it will send 100% of the power to the rear wheels. That gives you the feel of a rear-wheel drive sports car. This is a performance automobile. But also, if the all-wheel drive system's working all the time, even when you don't need it, it's going to chew through your tires faster. It's going to reduce your gas mileage. So that's another reason why they have that rear-wheel drive bias. But this Q50 has a brain that's always monitoring driving conditions. So as soon as those rear wheels slip, in a matter of milliseconds, almost instantly, it can send up to 50% of the vehicle's power to the front wheels. So it really improves your wet weather performance. This is have a powerful engine in it. And then if you're going to drive in the snow, you'll do a lot better with all-wheel drive versus just rear-wheel drive. Hagane blue is one of my favorite colors. It's a steel blue, which isn't surprising because Hagane means steel in Japanese. Adaptive xenon lights will give you outstanding nighttime visibility. For the power plant, the Q50 in 2017 has a twin turbo V6 engine making 300 horsepower. This car is very quick with 300 horsepower. It's very well built as well, built and assembled in Japan. Not all Japanese brands these days are made in Japan, but the Q50 still is. If you're ever curious, I know some people are very particular about having their Japanese cars made in Japan. Well, if you're ever curious, just look at the VIN number, and if it has a J in it, that means it's made in Japan. Pretty easy way to tell. If you're in the market for a Q50 or a performance luxury sports car, the Q50 is well worth a look, especially this low mileage certified pre-owned example. Thanks for watching this video, and we hope to see you soon.